cookout, right?
I think I'm possibly the best clam cleaner in the entire world.
You look like it.
Is that
gonna help, you think?
I hope so.
Today, Tory and I are in Bamfield, British Columbia, on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Massive waves and tidal flow wash the area's hundreds of protected coves and beaches with cold oxygen and nutrient-rich water. Perfect conditions for shellfish. I'm just down at the dock waiting for Tory. He's gone back up again. He's getting the clam digging stuff ready, so he's gonna be grabbing a shovel, a couple buckets, I think, maybe some way of flushing out the clams. Okay, we have Captain Shayla taking us off the dock today. Are you ready for an adventure?
I'm ready for it. Let's go.
Guys, welcome. This is Shayla. Shayla runs the Bamfield Lodge up here. You should check it out. It's amazing. How long have you been doing it?
We've been doing it a couple years. Really loving the West Coast lifestyle. Love Bamfield and excited to explore a bit more of Berkeley Sound today.
Yeah, and me too. Shayla knows all the local spots, so we're gonna go out and check out some of the favorites. I'm pumped.
Let's get out there.
Let's go. Today, we're going all out. We'll be making an absolute classic West Coast clam bake with fresh buns right here on the beach over a fire. But first things first. We headed off in Dingy Little with a rough idea of the beach location we were looking for. In about 30 minutes, we arrived at the beach.
We promise not to reveal the exact location of the spot, but I can tell you that from my experience, there are many places in the area that offer excellent clam digging opportunities.
We are just pulling in. The plan is to go and harvest some clams and later on have a big cookout on the beach. We're just pulling up. We're gonna do some harvesting and let them sit and flush out for a couple hours before we cook them. So cool. As we slid the dinghy onto the shore, I remember thinking how incredibly clear and clean the water looked. This was going to be awesome. We got the boat tied up, going for clams. It's like insanely slippery. We came prepared with shovels, buckets, and boots. That's all the barnacles we're walking on. It's absolutely beautiful on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Having an absolute riot with Tory and Shayla. I can't wait for dinner. It's gonna be something phenomenal.
We spread out just above the low tide line and started digging.
In no time at all, we had a good sized pile of clams. Definitely enough for the three of us. This was so exciting. Back on the dinghy, we gave the clams a good rinse to get the surface dirt off. Then we soaked them for a couple of hours so that they could expel any sand they may have inside their shells. Look at that, man.
Just giving them a little clean, and then we'll sit them in the bucket with water for a couple hours, flush all the sand out, and then it is dinner time.
What a beauty spot.
Pretty epic clam digging spot from our local legend, Shayla.
Nice job, local legend. Killing it.
Got that part out,
I think I'm possibly the best clam cleaner in the entire world.
You look like it.
I mean, I did find the clams.
Okay, final batch. Oh, one more shell.
There are about a dozen species of local clams that are typically harvested. Each species can have a different catch limit, so we had to be careful and keep only a certain amount. Shayla suggested another local beach that would be a great spot to set up for our shore lunch.
After a short boat ride, we arrived at our location.
Okay, we got the dinghy tied up to a log. What a beautiful spot. Look at this, we got like a kitchen. Is that where we're cooking? Is this the tabletop tour?
That's our prep area, and then we're gonna have to build a oven and fire pit.
So, we're here on an island in the broken group, hiding from any weather outside, just tucked away in the back.
We are doing a clam cook, making white wine and cream clams, and then fresh made bread, hopefully. In an
That's
oven.
gonna be so good, dude.
So we'll see how that turns out.
We made chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, why not? Tory sourced the perfect rocks to get started on the cooking area. We knew that we'd want a solid, flat fire pit that could support the weight of our stock pot full of goodies. But we'd also need something more enclosed so that we could do some very rustic baking. In no time at all, we had a pretty respectable looking camp kitchen assembled. Nice one, Tor. We'll need to get a good hot fire going for this type of cooking. We're adding enough wood so that once it's burned down, we'll have a consistently hot base of coals.
Now with our fire under control, we can start prepping.
Cayenne, curry, paprika, salt, and pepper, and a measuring cup, tub of butter, 18% table cream, extra virgin olive oil. Now, this is where the good stuff comes in. Parsley,
Oh my god.
onions, garlic, green onions, one of the best. In this pile, we have some homemade dough. So we thought it'd be nice to make some buns in our oven. And dessert, chocolate chip cookies.
I took out the chocolate chip cookie dough that we made last night, and Shayla was excited to show us her buns.
You think that's gonna help?
Is that
Is that gonna help, you think?
I hope so.
That's the biscuit.
Biscuit pretzels?
It's kind of like sesame's on the top.
Right.
Salt.
Salt.
What is going in?
Butter, onion.
Green onion?
No. Just regular white onion. Darryl accidentally bought green onions instead of white onions.
How was I supposed
So
to
we
know?
borrowed a white onion from the restaurant at the lodge. And we are going to put white onion and green onion. It's going to be good. Ready to go?
I'm ready, dude.
Okay.
Tory got the clam bake started by adding some olive oil, butter, onions, and garlic to the pot. The smell was amazing.
This whole oven going on here and this stove. We got some chocolate chip cookies, some home baked buns, and inside, check out how epic this is.
After the onions had sweated down a little, Tory deglazed the pot with some white wine. It's deglazed, right? See, we're killing it.
Little paprika.
Oh, we needed some color, buddy.
Oh yeah, once the green goes in, it's gonna be like Christmas. Green and red.
After a few more spices, we added the cream and gave it a stir.
I'm just gonna make one big cookie.
Saute, buddy.
Get that off to the side.
Yeah, you make a line, a cookie line, so you can keep it away from the fire. You missed a bit, buddy.
We're doing lines. Pretty good.
Is it?
I mean, it tastes like cookie, on it?
It's not quite cooked.
Nope, Darryl, it is not. We got a many clam.
Finally, we could add the clams. This was looking awesome.
Got some green onions in there, and we got some parsley.
Okay, let's have a look. Tor, what is this?
We have white wine and cream clams.
Oh my god.
They look unbelievable. The bread, we had some bread dough. We made like a little bush oven.
Is it still in there?
It's in there. It's so close to being done. I'm not sure. We didn't think it was going to finish. There might be a few pieces that are actually cooked through. The rest is going to be a little doughy on the inside, but we'll find out soon. We'll get these dished up, grab off the pieces that are ready to eat, and dig in. Because we are hungry. It's been a long day. A lot of exploring, clam digging, a rock kitchen, and cooking. And it takes about 8 times longer than it does in your kitchen at home. So it's been a blast though, and I can't wait to taste these clams.
Let's do it.
Homemade garlic knots, courtesy of one of the legends of Bamfield. I'm not going to name any names. These things, we didn't think they'd finish, but
They look damn good.
they look good with the clams. It's going to be a good meal.
Everything looked amazing. It was so delicious, and we were so hungry. This was a perfect way to end a perfect day with friends.